Keep in mind that experiencing Coron isn't for the weak. It demands real stamina with all the hiking and steep climbs. Today, we're exploring Kayangan and Barracuda Lake, Twin Lagoon, Atuayan and CYC Beach, and Skeleton Wreck.
Hi everyone, we're going to Coron!
So hi everyone, we're currently here at the stairs of Tapias. Mount Tapias.
Yeah.
Of Mount Tapias. Ito yung view. Pakita ko sa inyo. Steps?
No, 800!
800?
Yeah.
You can do this, Mom.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, we just finished walking down Mount Tapias. So we're currently eating here at Big Manos, Big Mamas. So yeah, I think famous dito yung grilled food nila. So we ordered sisig and Mama ordered sinigang. Kasi bawal siya ng cholesterol. So yeah, I'm so excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Grabe, nakakapagod yung paglalakad namin kanina. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Oh my gosh. Ling! Baka...
Hi!
Video to.
We're testing the GoPro.
Video check 1, 2, 3. GoPro 12.
Mexico! Ah! Barrera! You know fighting? You know boxing? Oh my goodness. Well, good morning everyone. Say good morning. Good morning. Yes. Sigaw niya! Sigaw! Sigaw! Required here because all tourists are not allowed to swim inside the lake without divers.
Hindi ako maka-picture. Thank you.
Titaan. Oh!
Uy, grabe sa baba, tita!
Ready recording. Yeah.
1, 2, 1! Ay! Ma'am, lumutang ka! Tita! Baba!
So, hindi ko na kayo na-update. So, it's currently our day 2 here. Been to Barracuda Lake. And then, this is the Twin Lagoon naman. So, we rented kayaks, clear kayaks. Where are you? And kanina sa Barracuda Lake. Krisha! Natawanan ako ni Krish. So, kanina sa Barracuda Lake, nag-snorkeling kami. Tapos, we also rented a GoPro. So, I'm so excited to show you guys. So, yeah. Basically, this is the Twin Lagoon. So, parang papasok kami sa, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Tita, picture na kayo na mga pera.
Kapampangan din.
So, we're going in here. So, higa kami.
Wait lang, kuya.
Hindi ma'am na, ito kasi mapapalo ako. Wait lang. Sean, mapapalo na. Makakatawa.
Nandun na daan dalawa?
Oo.
Oh no, ang lalim.
Nandiyan ka pala, kuya.
Oh, nandiyan nga kayo.
Kuya! Ay!
Close your eyes, open your mouth, ma'am.
What the fuck is this? We're in our fucking outer space.
Wow! Just woke up. Everyone, so we're currently here at the Twin Lagoon.
Uy, hindi talaga sarap pinipunta, oh.
Kuya, pwedeng mauna na kami doon. Kasi mag-picture-picture. Guys, sobrang ganda. And sobrang sarap mag-swimming kasi yung water, it's cool. It's not cold, it's just cool. And the sun is just heating, so it's the perfect climate and weather to swim and have fun. Okay, let's go grab. So, bandang huli guys, hindi kami nagkayak. Hinary namin yung kayak. Oo nga no. Wait, ayan!
Kaya lahat tayo gago. Tanong mo kay kuya.
Kuya, anong kumakagat sa amin, kuya? Okay guys, something kind of bit us and we don't know what, but the water is so clear, so go take a look. Oh my god. Okay.
So, fish yun.
Fish sana, no? JC, hi. Ang ganda ng shot. Uy. Kuya is behind me, so I'm like the passenger princess right now because he's paddling for us. And once again, we have been left by our group. Nothing new because pictures are a must and they're our priority. But he's paddling so fast that we'll make it there on time. Say hi! Ito ba yung mga floating hotel, kuya, o hindi?
Yes.
Alam mo magkano lang dyan, Jay? Parang ano lang ata dyan eh, 5-5? Magkano dyan, kuya? 10K?
20.
Per night? 20K per night? It's the view you're paying for though. Hindi, sinerch ko na yung si Airbnb. Alam mo na malalagyan ng electricity.
Guys, it's a floating hotel.
Guys, look at this pure paradise. I hope they'll be able to maintain this for the next century. Hi! Lumubog siya! Hey, look!
Ay, nakalas na yung boat natin na.
Grabe pala. O, hindi ka na. One is eating with the best view. Look. Wow. Look at everyone. They are eating with the best view possible. Best lunch view. So we are now going back. Ang ganda ng view, I swear. Ang ganda ng view.
Ganon din sa amin.
Hi everyone, we're on our last stop and this is Langley.
Okay, holding hands, holding hands, Jay! Hey Jay, ay kay Nathan!
Paano to? Atin lang mo kamay ko. Oh, 1, 1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Hindi ba na ako nakita?
Nakita ka tama.
Hindi, guys! Puro ano, bubble.
May sumi ko sa titi ko. Ang sakit.
Hindi ako.
Ang sakit.
Hindi ako. Alam mo yung sarang mo na baka mo.
Saan si Titaan dito? O, Titaan.
This is so far the least salty for me.
Titaan.
And guys, if pupunta kayo dito sa Kayangan Lake, super lamok. Yun, sobrang malamok. Kasi before you get here sa lake na to, mag-steps ka muna. Kada stairs, up and down. Tapos you out walking up and down those stairs. Kagating ka na talaga ng mga lamok. And since lesson namin this sem is parasitology, marami ang cases ng malaria here in Coron. It's currently 7:40 p.m. and we're currently walking around Coron town. We're looking for some food to eat for dinner. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Ordered grilled liempo, Nathan ordered grilled chicken. Grilled liempo. So, babalik kami dun sa kinainan namin na yogurt store kagabi. Because, na-enjoy talaga namin yung yogurt nila. So, yeah. It's called Socorro yogurt din. Tapos, mura pa. Yung large cup nila is 100.